There are 6,000 species of tadpoles worldwide except in Antarctica. And another name for a tadpole is pollywog. They vary in size and color and how fast it takes them to metamorphosize. Welcome back! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about tadpoles. Grab a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. All right, let's draw.
All right, there's not much to the tadpole, so we're going to draw a couple of them. Let's draw one over here. So first we're going to draw a circle over the eye. And then we're going to draw the head. So the head's going to kind of wrap around almost like a circle, but just follow my line if you can. Kind of looks like a lizard head. Then the tail is going to come back this way, so we're going to draw a squiggly line. And then close it.
Tadpoles breathe through gills underwater and cannot survive on the land until they're old enough and their gills have matured into lungs. And that's when they turn into either a frog or a toad.
And then let's draw another one over here. Circle. Same thing. Same. We're going to kind of mimic this head. Draw. And then let's have this tail wrapped this way. And then we can add a little bit of detail. So they have this little translucent part to their tail. So just draw two lines out.
Tadpoles eventually transform into frogs or toads, even though they look more like fish than frogs. Some of their predators include birds, fish, grass snakes, and dragonfly larvae.
Squiggle them to the tail. And then let's add some details. So we're going to add a few dots. You only want to draw one, that's fine. If you want to draw more than one, you could do that as well. Okay, and we'll draw one more. Now that's it. If you want to draw in a smiley mouth, you can.
Tadpoles don't have legs until they mature. They have tails that help them swim in the ponds. As they grow, their tail disappears and their legs emerge.
And then if you want to draw in a few details, here you can. As tadpoles mature, they lose their tails and they grow feet. So one of them we can add a little foot if we want.
Some species of tadpoles are poisonous, like the poison dart frog tadpole. They are known to be toxic and ride on their mother's back for protection. Some species of
And then we can draw water lines because they only live in the water. They don't develop their lungs until they're more mature, as you'll learn.
Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Enjoy the music while you learn a few more fun facts, and hit that like button if you're enjoying this art lesson. Frog eggs are round, and toad eggs are laid in a long string. The bullfrog is one of the biggest toads, and its tadpole can grow to the length of a banana. Tadpoles are known to eat amphibian eggs, pond skaters, and algae. You can always find them in ponds, lakes, streams, and sometimes near the base of rivers. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out last week's art class and hit that subscribe button for more art classes. Lastly, tag Fitz art clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. See you next time!